So today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, we're outdoors and we're out in the wild. So I'm cooking on barbecues, something completely different. We're doing it au natural. So what I thought would be a good idea is to do some wonderful pork ribs with a special Balinese bumbu merah. First of all, what I've done, I've cut a couple of steps short and we've got the pork ribs here and I've marinated it in a little bit of pounded lemongrass, pounded galangal, pounded ginger, and also pounded garlic. So you pound that all up and then you marinate it for a couple of hours and then you put it in a zip bag and you throw it in the steamer. So once you've cooked that, prepare the bumbu merah. And in there is some hot chilies, coriander, candle nuts, garlic, palm sugar, white pepper, and then also in Bali they use lemon, which are little kind of small limes. But unfortunately here where I'm shooting today, there isn't any. So I'm just gonna use some big limes in there as well. A little bit of salt and then some big chilies. If you like it hot, put more in it. And then what happens is that you get this wonderful paste here. You can use a blender if you want, or you can pound it yourself. Either or, it doesn't really make much difference. So what we have to do first is actually stir fry the bumbu merah, which is the red paste. Here we are. This is what you might say Boy Scout cooking. I can't believe I'm cooking on this amazing ocean view out here. And then also, it's in a big tree house as well. It's such a special spot, this. So now we're gonna add a little bit of lime in there as well. Traditionally, it should be lemon. That just balances the sugar levels in it. Okay, that's nearly done. So now it's time to marinate the pork ribs. There we go, just straight onto there. Look at that, beautiful. There we go. That's gonna be full of flavor. So I've marinated my pork ribs and I've put it into a wire mesh cage, because if you put it directly onto here, it's gonna stick. So this is a great way to actually hold them. And just be careful, because you don't want to have too much marinade, otherwise the marinade is going to fall off. Cook about 8 minutes on each side and it should be done. So I think this side is almost done. It's been about 8 minutes. Yeah, look at the color on those pork ribs. Look at the caramelization on there, the charredness. Oh, what a treat. And flip them on the other side and leave them for about another 8 minutes or so. Okay, so I think that's ready to serve up. That on there. There we go. Pop that onto there. And there we have our Balinese style pork ribs. What better than a rack of ribs and a view like this? Oh, look at that. It just falls apart. Unctuous. That is good.